Hello, my name is Bill, and today I want to show you my twist on sliders. Sliders have been around for quite a while now. Most of them are just mini burgers and not much to them. I'd rather eat a big burger. But I've tried pork sliders. A lot of people use pulled pork. I think that's a great direction to go in, a little more versatile. But what I've done is I've taken and made sliders out of prime pork baby back ribs. Man, right to the next level. So let's get started. What I did was I took a whole rack of prime baby back ribs. I put my favorite rub on it, just slather it all over, wrap it in tin foil in the refrigerator overnight. Next day I throw it in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes to really start to get it heated. Turn it down to 325 for about 3 hours, and it is fall off the bone tender. So I got some pork that I've reheated in the oven. It's just a little toasty, just all we need. It absolutely smells, and I actually tried it, it tastes great. So I got my little slider rolls here, really simple. I'm going to take a little cheese, doesn't matter what kind you want, just a little to salvage the bread from getting too wet from everything. And I want to put a little piece of pickle. Of course, this is my favorite, Clausen Hardy garlic, best pickles on the earth. Alright, so all I got to do now is I'm just going to take a little bit of the pork off from here. It's just like fall apart. Just excellent. Let me tell you, I could feed an army with all the pork I got off this. But it's just going to feed me. Got some good warm stuff on here. If you want, you can microwave it just to kind of soften everything up. To me, it really doesn't matter. Best part is, I've got my favorite mustard that I make. I'm just going to slather some on here. Oh yeah, this is Southern Carolina barbecue at its best. Recipe that I've kind of figured out. Makes really, really good barbecue mustard. I'm not a big fan of a lot of different mustards like honey mustard. This is really bomb. And believe it or not, these sliders go great with a Sauvignon Blanc. This happens to be from New Zealand, low price point, $15. It's absolutely worth it. Give it a try. And at the end of this video, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make this mustard again so you don't have to go searching, so don't worry. The recipe will be to follow for the mustard. Just put these little things together, and oh man, make anybody happy with these things. They're great. Try them. Like always, comment, subscribe. Just let me know what you think. Thumbs up is always a nice thing to do. Enjoy it, because I'm going to try them right now. Thank you. First, I want to show you how I make my favorite mustard. This is actually like a barbecue mustard thing. I actually like more like a South Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. I used to eat a lot of pork sandwiches at a local barbecue joint. The best part was they brewed their own beer. I realized that I like spicier barbecue sauce, like mustard-based stuff. So after some trial and error, I made this mustard sauce. I have 8 ounces of any kind of yellow mustard in here. I'm going to add to it two tablespoons of orange blossom honey. I have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I have a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. I need a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And in here I have 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, just a little fresh ground pepper. I think that's what kind of gives it the kick. get this all incorporated. So once I get this all mixed together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it on the heat, and it just needs to simmer for about 5 minutes. You'll notice it'll thicken up a little bit. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's why I'm not a big fan of vinegar like this, but this really tastes good. Okay, so let's just get that on heat. Okay. And when it's all done and it's cooled, you can always put it in a little squeeze bottle and keep it in the refrigerator, like last forever.